Hey guys, Henry here from Mowers and Blowers. As you guys know, tractor tires are one of the most important parts of a tractor. And I've probably taken apart tons of tires and rims and all that. Well, so this one was off of my Scots from a long time ago. The guy threw it out and he was so selfish that he decided that he was going to jab his tires so that nobody else could use them. Super selfish like that, you know. I can't find it right now, but he jabbed the knife into here so that nobody else would use it, and that's before he threw it away. I think it's right here. Anyway, so I got this free brand new tire from, I know it doesn't look brand new, but it is. It's brand new, still with the stickers on it. It just lost its shape after sitting in the garage for a while. But anyway, so I could always use a rim with a brand new tire on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that busted tire off of that rim. The rim looks like it's in pretty decent shape. It's the same size, it's an 8-inch rim. I'm going to put that brand new tire on there. And basically, I'm going to teach you how to take it off. It's kind of a pain. Some are easier than others. But first thing you got to do is you got to get it off the bead. Okay, I've already gotten it slightly off, but basically you just take a screwdriver and you pry in there, push down, and then just bust that seal, you know what I'm saying? So that now you can see there's no air in it, and you can see the rim sticking out, right? So then I'm gonna, oh, it looks like it has a tube in there. I guarantee you the tube's messed up. I'm gonna take the tube out. So actually, I've got the tube out now. And from what it looks like, it's only this part here that's messed up. This is the part where he just shoved the knife in there, you know, just so nobody else could use it. Selfish, selfish. Well, dudes, I can patch this up no problem. Just get another piece of rubber tubing that, like a bad tire, cut like a big square out like that. Slap some silicone in there, a gasket maker, let it cure, and this is good to go. I'll put that back in and get another rim to do that one. Taking an old tire that was beyond repair. As you can see, I tried. It doesn't work. So I just cut a piece off like that, and it's just put it right over here. See, there's where the slice is. All right, just put it right there. There, match it up a little bit better, just like that. Right. Put some adhesive silicone. Rubber to rubber, silicone rubber, you know, it's going to stick really well. Put like a sandbag on top there to weigh it down and push on it, let it cure. Put the tube back in, or the rim, and there you go. Push it from the center out, get the air bubbles out. And as you can see, I amply covered it up with silicone because when you push it out, it comes out the sides like that. So you know it's covering that cut that's right around here, you know. Silicone's very strong, especially from rubber to rubber, you know. It makes almost a natural seal, rubber to rubber. Silicone's not exactly rubber, but it's like rubber. Sticks to rubber very well. So this will hold, especially when you put it in right after it cures. And the pressure of the air that pushes outward should be good. That is, if that's the only leak, you know what I mean? So then I'll wait for this to cure and shove that back into the tire. In the meantime, we'll find another rim for this new tire. Here's another rim that he destroyed. See that slice there? That has a tube in there too. But I have a feeling that that cut is a lot bigger to fix than the other one. So this one may not be able to salvage. But I'll take it out now anyway and try. So I got this tube out too, and as you can see, that slice is much bigger. But you know what? I've got plenty of silicone and plenty of rubber tubing. So I'm going to make a nice big square rectangle there and try to patch that up, because if this tube works, that's a good tire. As long as the tire on a tractor holds air It's not running on the highway or the roads or going like less than 20 miles an hour, you know what I'm saying, and on a lawn. So all you need it to do is have good tread, right? Which it does have. It's got dry rot like crazy, of course, and a big slash, right? But as long as it holds air and it keeps the tractor moving, it's still a functional tire for a tractor. And that's what we're going to try to do, is salvage these two rims here. So I've just placed a generous heap of RTV silicone right in a rectangle shape. I've cut out a piece of this rectangle rubber tire from that tire that I'm using for parts. Just gonna slap it on there just like the other one. So it's gonna rain pretty soon. I'm inside my garage now. To help this cure, I'm gonna put like a rag that's about the same size as this bandage, if you will, right? The piece of rubber, about the same size as that, and put my full gas tank on it, so it pushes down on just that part. Get it? Got it. So I've got another wheel here. This rim is in very good condition. The tires, however, they don't hold air because every time I pump it up, it leaks out these dry rotted areas. Even though it doesn't look all too bad, I have tried many times, and air does leak out of this slowly, so it has a slow leak. It won't even hold for more than a day. Anyway, so you make sure that this is an 8-inch rim, which it is. And so this is 18 by 9.5 8-inch rim. NHS means not for highway use. I don't know what the S is. So this is a 20 by 10 by 8. So as long as it's the same rim size, you can put this tire on. It may be more difficult to get on, but I'm going to give it a try. So first of all, I'm going to get this valve, pull it out. I'm going to use wire cutters, just cut that out. Then I try to break the seal by getting a screwdriver and shoving it in here while you step on it. While you step on it, put that in there, and you push down like that. It's tough. It's a pain in the ass, especially when you're trying to hold a camera. So you'll do that. Push down. Do that some more. There you go. That was actually pretty easy. I broke the bead on here, right? And I'm going to get this off now. And then when you take the tire off, you can get that other end out. Since I've broken the bead, it'll come out on this end. Oh, oh, there it is. And the other half fell in, so I'll try to fish it out. Anyway, so look. So when you push this in like that, right? Now you're giving this, since you're pushing that part in, you're giving this more room. So basically you'll take this and pry it out like that. And you hold it. Get another one. Oh my god. Get another one. And shove it in here. And push it out. And you take this one out. Oh crap. Well, you guys get the picture, right? Try to be gentle so you don't ruin the rim, which I've already scuffed a little bit, but hey, what are you gonna do, man? This is what you gotta do. This is how you do it. I forgot, I gotta push down on this a little. I gotta use two hands. So I've gotten one side off, not without some collateral damage. That's okay, I'll just bang that out. It's just a lip, a little bit. We'll try to avoid that, obviously, you know. But I just get a hammer and knock that back into place. And now I gotta try to curve this like that and do the same thing, get that side off. It's a pain in the balls, but you'll get it if you apply yourself and you're determined. Some kicking and some cursing, prying. All probably wondering, is this even worth it? It is if you want to maximize your profits. Sons of bitches. Now I'm gonna stuff that into there. My neighbor across the street putting up his Christmas lights. And of course my other neighbor, monkey see, monkey do, he's got to do the same damn thing. Me? Bah humbug. For this one, just basically try to jam it in there a little bit. A little bit at a time. This is almost there, see? Look at that. Now you push down on the one side so that that part has room, like that, so you have a lot of space. You try to do that. Get it? I'm going to try to do that around. This part's kicking my ass. So because this is a tubeless tire, right, you got to put a new valve in there. So I'm going to shove that in there, pull it out. These valves are only less than $1. I bought like 5 of them off of eBay. I know I'd use them. Yeah. The tough part is just get this damn lip over that. It's a new tire, so it's really stiff, you know. Finally, after a lot of cursing, finally got this stupid tire on the rim. So now I'm going to try to put air in it. I know they're both off the bead on each side, but it looks tight enough that I could just, like, you know, push it here, push it there, make sure that the two side walls are touching the rim so that it makes a seal and therefore fills up with air. I'm going to try it now. And finally, it took a lot of wiggling and pushing and all that stuff. I finally got both sides to touch the rim and it inflated. Thank goodness. That sucked. But you know what? Got a whole new, good, brand new tire on a pretty good rim. And I used that for maybe that thing. Okay, now I'm going to, I've let this inner tube cure. Should be good for putting back inside the tire, as well as this one. These two inner tubes. I'm going to go back into those two rims, patched, see if they work. I gotta go charge my battery now. So, it hasn't completely cured yet, so I can't put it back in yet, but it's the same thing. You just take the fixed tube and just shove it in there and pump it up, and it should be good. So you just gotta wait for it to cure. So I got this these metal plates on both sides, and I used a clamp to clamp down just that area that has that square patch. So that'll do. When that dries, I'll just pump it up, and I'll stuff that in there and pump it up, and I should have 1, 2, and 3 wheels that hold air. This one's nice. See? Got a nice new wheel now. For free! Anyway, as I was fixing this stuff, my stator came. Thanks for watching, everybody. Follow me on